Alright, what the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're 2020 diesel truck shopping. And what better place to do that than the Pittsburgh Roll to Wheels? Let's go. Alright guys, I think we might can the diesel thing and just start doing supercar stuff, right? I mean, I don't know, it's the 6. 19 Cummins, Counterman, nice. Alright, so option, this isn't in order, this isn't like a list order of what we're gonna get compared to what we're not gonna get. So the first option, 19 Cummins or 20 Cummins, alright? Second option, 2020 Powerstroke. This isn't a 20, I think this is a 17, but just getting a shot of this is another full Kelderman ride. But, so yeah, 19 Cummins or 2020 Powerstroke so far. So 1 and 2, what do you guys think so far?
Lamborghini.
Yeah, Lamborghini. Alright guys, we made it out of the car show. It was super cool, there was a lot of cool stuff there. But seriously, what we're doing today is I need a vote from you guys. I need help from you because I can't make a decision. So obviously right here is what I'm driving. 2017 Ford F-250 Platinum 6.7 Powerstroke. Sitting stock as of right now. Wheels, just give me a second on those. We got a couple things in the works with those. Okay, so 3 main options. 2020 Powerstroke, 19 or 20 Ram, or 2020 Duramax. Now they didn't have a 2020 Duramax at the truck show yesterday, or the car show yesterday, which is weird. They had the white Platinum you've seen, and then the lifted 19 Ram that you've seen. But what I'm looking at here is this. Let's take a look at this real quick. Okay, so this is one of the options. It definitely is going to be paint matched like the Platinum. We want to do painted to match whole deal, obviously Cummins, obviously 19 or above with the new body style, and of course if we're doing a Cummins, it needs to have the 12-inch screen. That's not even not an option with the 12-inch screen. So I don't know, I'm really up in the air. I've had Cummins in the past, so this is a absolute gorgeous truck. I mean, look at the center here. This is absolutely crazy. I mean, I don't know. When have you guys ever seen anything like this in a truck? This is like some Tesla style. And of course, this one is a limited. You know, we got to keep up with the Platinum. So I don't know. This is high on my list of options. I'm kind of already super pumped in here, just sitting in here. Wow, it's dark. These trucks are very cool, and yeah, I don't know. These aren't in any order of my list. You know, this is a random order. I am literally up in the air between all 3, so I need your guys' help. Take a vote on the 19 Ram in the comments. Alright guys, so option 2 on the list, 2020 Powerstroke. Now, obviously, if you guys follow the channel, you would have seen that I'm literally like 6'7" Powerstroke focused, right? We work closely with SPE. Those guys are awesome down there. And the 6'7" Powerstroke has amazing potential. I literally made all those videos about it. There might be another 2020 in the back. But, you know, Powerstrokes have a bad rap from the 6.0 and the 6.4, right? The 6.7, not the case, especially the 15 and up 6.7 with the updated turbo. The trucks are literally awesome. So option 2, 2020 F250. Now this is just a Lariat. If we're gonna do a Lariat, or if we're gonna do a 2020 Powerstroke, I'd probably do the new Tremor package on the 6.7, so it has the painted to match. They got a cool blue color that I really like. The fronts are already like leveled up, so you can put some, you know, a little bit bigger wheels and tires on from the factory. They sit a little higher than, you know, that and that, but this will give you the gist. Like, these obviously aren't LEDs. This is just the only 2020 I could find in the area, and this isn't even a Powerstroke. It is a gasser. Look at that exhaust. But they're identical trucks. It'll look just like this with how the grill goes into the headlights. They didn't change much for 20. A little bit internally on the engine, did a couple of upgrades. They did go to a 10-speed transmission. Front bumper's a little different, but essentially interior also for 20 is basically identical to the 17. So I don't know. I'm not rolling this out, but we are modern diesel, right? We're not Powerstroke only. I love the truck. I love Powerstrokes. I have nothing against that. I would buy 10 of those. But maybe for our next one, I'm thinking that we do something different on the channel. I'm never selling this. A lot of guys are saying, yeah, trade this in, trade that in. You know, trade it in on a new limited like Cummins or our 2020 Duramax or something like that. No. This isn't going anywhere. So there you go. Option 2. 2020 Powerstroke. What do you guys think? I want to hear in the comments what you think of those. Alright guys, last but not least, we have the 2020 Duramax. Alright, now this is a very controversial truck. I myself have made a video about it. It's kind of a love-hate thing. Either you love it or you hate it. Me, myself, I definitely don't love it, but I don't know. It's kind of growing on me. I've seen them painted to match. The painted to match ones are very nice. They have none here. I do like the work truck model with the all black front, so it has the black grille, black bumper. That looks pretty good to me. But also the white looks good with the chrome deleted on the front, and then obviously the mirrors matched. Okay, so here's what we're working with. I do like the interior. The interior is very nice. I've never had a Duramax. I've had Cummins, I've had Powerstroke. Never a Duramax. So, I don't know. I really am searching for your guys to assist me on this. Comment what you think below on the 2020 Duramax. I'd love to learn the L5P platform. I don't know much about it. I do know there's potential there. I'd love to start messing with the L5P platform, honestly. Let's go down here and we'll check out the black one. So there's the chrome look. See the chrome? Not too bad, not too bad. But literally the work truck model blacked out. I really like the work truck model all black. Okay, so you can't picture it with those wheels. Imagine, you know, nice, maybe 12 wides, 14 wides, maybe like a 24, 22 or something, with some 35s, little leveling kit. Black wheels with the black. I like that with the black. You know, you have the fender flare trim, black, bumper all black, black out the little L5P hood scoop thing, and keep your mirrors black, tint it out.
do like a black wrap on the roof, so the tint on the windshield will match the roof all the way up over, all black, and then everything else white, black wheels. That would be a really good looking truck for a work truck.
Oof. Work truck models are rough on the inside. I mean, they're nice, don't get me wrong. They're still nice. It's still nice, new, everything's nice and clean, but... All right, so check this one out right here. This has the center like grill bar thing, whatever you want to call it, white, black grill, black bumper. Okay, so I might be liking this one a little more than the all black front. Yeah, I like that bar white, this black, grill black. We need black wheels, do the tint with the black roof, keep the cab lights black. I don't know. That would be a great looking truck. I don't know what's going on with these like little like top headlight things here up top. It's very odd, but I don't know. I think there's potential there. What do you guys think? Help me out. Post your thoughts below. Oh yeah, real quick also before I forget, I do like the LEDs in the new 2020 Chevy headlights, but yeah, you gotta have the LED strips right here that run like those. It looks sick in the dark with just those on. Kind of how the Platinum has these bars, and those look very sick when just those are on. But, all right guys, I'm out here literally freezing. I need your help. Post it in the comments below. Cummins, Powerstroke, Duramax, what do you think? Seriously, but tune in tomorrow guys, we might have a surprise for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that little bell notification. Give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was sick. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Or should we say screw the diesel and do a Raptor? Could that be a fourth option?